welcome back to our channel. I'm Daphne and
I'm Chloe.
And today we are going to be doing Fingerlings Go to a Birthday. Yay! Okay, let's start. And let's go into the house.
Okay.
Open.
Door.
Come in. Okay, close the door. So, And beep 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 beep.
Oh,
Beep,
someone's
beep.
calling.
Oh, someone's calling. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Yes, it's me, Duck Duck. Oh, hi, Duck Duck.
Hi.
I have a birthday party. Would you guys like to come? Sure, but let me just ask my friend first. Well, actually, no, my sister first. Okay. Hey, sister, Duck Duck asked us to come to her birthday party.
Ooh, I want to go.
Yeah, okay. Let me tell her. Hey, Duck Duck. Yeah? We would love to come. Okay. Oh, and one more thing. Yes? Bring a cake, please. Like maybe a dessert or something. Okay. I will make Mango Swirl's famous cake. Famous donut cake. Sounds delicious. Bye. Bye. Okay. Whew. Okay. First thing we need to do is go to the store.
And buy ingredients.
Yeah. Later. Okay. Oh, almost there. Okay, we're here. Okay, let's enter.
This is a nice store.
Oh wow!
Look at all these things.
I know, right? Guys, look at all this stuff this store has. It has Coke. It has apples. Nice. Muffin and raspberries and asparagus. What should we buy? Well, first off, oh wait, no. And they also have a donut. Well, that is first thing. So this little donut right here. Okay, they need it. And what should we also need? Raspberries. Yeah, like raspberry donut cake.
Yeah.
Actually, wait, yeah. Let's add some raspberries because it's a raspberry donut. And let's add some raspberries. Okay, I think that's it. Let's go pay for it. Okay?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
What would you like to buy?
The raspberry and the raspberry donut.
Yes, sure. Thank you. Thank you. Here is your food.
Cha-ching. Thank you.
Ching. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Bye. At home. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay. Empty out everything. Okay. Okay. First thing we need is our bag/oven. Now we add the donut. Okay. Now we add the raspberries, which is also a chocolate. So we add that in here. Hey sis.
Yeah?
Do you have your ring?
Yes. Here you go.
No, that's yours.
Oh, you said mine.
Oh, never mind. Okay. We have the rings.
Okay.
Now,
It's time to cook it.
okay, stand over here next to me. Okay. Show the pins. And 3, 2, 1, zap! 1 hour later. Whoa! Here is the finished product. Ooh, it looks so beautiful, everybody. Smash like if you like it. Okay, let's show up. Okay, we got the ring. Here, you got the ring. The cake. Hello,
Hi.
Ducky. Hi. Here is the cake that we brought. Oh, wow. It looks beautiful. It sure is. It took us 1 hour. Okay. Wait, dance party. Wow, we're having a wonderful time. Okay, everyone, turkey!
Yum!
Yum.
Yum, yum.
Tastes so good.
Chocolate.
Oh, later. Oh my gosh, that was so good.
good.
And we finished it all. Okay, well, we have to get going. Bye, Ducky.
Bye, Ducky.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so like,
Subscribe.
comment, tell everybody our channel. Bye.